Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from Stack, which is stock span problem. So here what you need to do, you would be given one array, okay, price array, stock price array, and then you need to figure out the maximum number of consecutive days for that particular means for that current day where the price of the stock is less than or equal to. So for example, I need to give them one array, let's call it span. Okay, so see how many consecutive elements you find for this let's say this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So for this 0th index, how many consecutive previous elements you find which is lesser than this 100 or equal to 100. Okay, so 0. So means, but itself this itself is 1, right? So I will write here 1 for this. Okay, now C for 80. So for 80 nothing, because 100 is greater than 80. Okay, so again 1 itself. Now for 60 is also 80 is greater than, and we need consecutive days. Okay, so if 80 is greater than 60, so we will stop there itself. We need the lesser element or equal element. So again 1 here. Now check for this 70. Okay, so for this 70, 60 is lesser. Oh, okay, plus 1, and then let's go here. Then next element, so 80. Okay, so it means that it is greater. So it means for 70, the maximum consecutive days is 2. The span is 2, right? So and then for 60 it is again 1. For 75 it is 60, yes it is lesser. 70, yes it is lesser. 60, yes it is lesser. Then 80, no, it is greater. So what will be for 75, or what will be the span? 1 itself, 2, 3 and 4. So this one will be 4. Okay, and for 85 same. So 75 is lesser, 60 is lesser, 70 is lesser, 60 again, and then 80. So it will be somewhere around 1 2 3 4 5 6. The span will be 6. So you need to return this array, the span array. Okay, so here don't you think we just need to find the previous greater element here, previous greater element, and we have solved this kind of problem. Okay, so in previous greater element, so for example for 75 you check. Okay, let me change the color. For 75 you check, so what is the previous greater element than 75? 60, no, it is lesser. 70, no. This 80, yes, this is greater element. Okay, this 80 is greater. So what I will do, the index of 75 was 5. Okay, and previous greater elements index is 1, so 5 minus 1, which is 4, and that will be my answer. So it means for each element you need to find previous greater element. Okay, and to find that we will use a stack. Okay, we will use this stack. So let's say I've created one stack. Okay, and then I will iterate the array. So see, we will check the code also side by side. So you have given prices, you would be given prices array. Okay, and then you have created one span array. Okay, and then you have created one stack, and then you're iterating that price array. Okay, now see, we need previous greater element. So whatever smaller element we encounter, we will pop that element. Okay, so for example let's check for 100. So currently stack is empty, so I will add its index, which is 0. Okay, now so for our simplicity, let me add this number also, 100. Okay, so we don't need to go again and again to this prices array and then check what is value on that index. So now 80 will come. So 80 will come, and 80 will check the stack.pick. What is on a stack.pick element? Okay, which is 100. 100 is greater than 80, so that is fine. So I'll put its index and then put 80 here. Okay, now and then side by side you need to add value in span array also. Okay, so for example you check first time for 100, you check stack is not empty, but stack was empty. Okay, that time. So if stack is empty, then span I equal to I plus 1. So I was 0, so 0 plus 1, so we have put here 1. Okay, now 80 came. So and we put the value, we push that 0 in stack also. Okay, now then second time 80 came. So 80 we will check stack is not empty, correct, and then price of the means this one was 100, right? So 100 less than equal to 80, no, condition false. So what we will do, we will come out here, we will check if stack is empty. No, stack is not empty. So what will be the span? I minus stack.pick. Okay, so stack.pick was 0 and I was 1, so 1 minus 0. Okay, 1 minus 0 will be 1. So here again I have put it 1. Now 60 will come, so it will check that 80 is less than 60, condition false. Okay, and stack is not empty also. So what I will do, 2 minus whatever on the stack, so 1. Okay, pick stack.pick, so 2 minus 1, 1. So I have put here 1. Now 70 will come. So and I put this value also, means 2 also here in the stack for 60. Okay, now 70 will come. So now 70 will check that 60 is less than 70, condition true. Okay, so it will pop this 60. Now again it will go and check 80 is less than 70, no, condition false, so it will stop here. Okay, so now I don't have this here. Okay, then what it will do, it will come out and it will check that if a stack is empty, no, stack is not empty, so span I equal to I minus stack dot pick. So I was my 3, okay, I was 3 and stack dot pick is 1 currently, because we have pop out the other one, right? So 3 minus 1 will be 2, so here 2 will come, which is correct for 70 and for 62 length to span, that is fine. Now 60 will come, okay, and we put this value also. So the index was 3 and the element was 70. Now 60 will come, so again we will check 60 is less than what is there on stack, 70, right? So 70 is less than 60, no, condition false. So we will simply put push the span I, okay. In span I, what it will be, 4 minus what is there on the stack top, okay. So this is 3, 4 minus 3, 1, so 1 will come here. And in the stack, what we will push, 4, and the value is 60 here, okay. Let me remove unnecessary code. So now okay, now next what next will come? So 40, so this 4 is also done, right? Now 5 will come, so means 75 will come. So it will check that, yeah, 60 is less than 75, condition true, so it will pop this 4, okay. Now this is again, the next one is 70 is less than 75, condition true, so it will pop this one also. Again the next one, 80 is less than 75, no, condition false, so it will come out from that while loop, okay. And then it will calculate the span. Now let me remove this one, okay. It will calculate now span, new span for this one. So this one will be 5, okay. What will be the span? 5 minus whatever there on the stack pick, so 1, 5 minus 1, 4, so 4 will come for this, means 1 for this, 1, 2, 3 and 4, which is correct, okay. Now it will put this 5 also in the stack. Now 85 will come, so 85 it will check, okay. 85 means 6 will come, index 6, so 85 will come, so it will check that 75 is less than 85, condition true, so it will pop this 5 from stack, okay. This one was for 75, so now it will check this 80, so 80 is less than 85, condition true, okay. Again it will pop this one also. Now 100 is less than 85, condition false. So what it will do, 6 minus 0, so it will put here 6, and in stack it will put the value, so 6 which was for 85, okay. So we don't have anything here. This one we have stacked something like this, okay, this one only. So and then your array will complete, and so that's it. This is what we are doing.